The coronavirus crisis has shut schools and nurseries, forcing some working parents to give up their jobs. But not every nursery has been shut down. I-24 News correspondent Hana Papiashvili takes us to one located in a most unlikely place.
The Wizo Day Nursery in Jerusalem, in the heart of Hadassah Hospital. A very special nursery that welcomes health workers' kids. With the coronavirus crisis forcing all nurseries and preschools to shut down, this place is a heaven sent.
These are the only daycare centers that were allowed to function during the coronavirus crisis. Why? We needed to open it to make sure that the doctors, the nurses, and the staff had where to bring their children to a safe place so they could do the job that they needed to do. Because of the emergency, we also accepted children that usually do not come to our daycare centers, all to facilitate for the personnel.
Just before Dr. Aviv Talmon begins his working day, he comes here to drop his daughter off. Without this daycare solution, he would not have been able to work during the pandemic.
We have 4 kids, and we are working deeply inside the corona department. So unless we had something or daycare for our kids, we could not do that. So this is the only possibility for us to work and to help and to treat patients all over, and corona patients specifically. We have 4 kids, so they are all in separated daycares.
It's very convenient for the parents who work in the medical center because the hours are adapted to their irregular schedules. In total, there are 4 similar nurseries and hospitals all around the country. Here, more than 30 toddlers ranging from 3 months to 3 years old stay in a safe environment while their parents work.
We follow rigorous orders from the Ministry of Health, and they were the ones that, together with us, we developed how to do this. So we keep all the distancing, hygiene, and everything that we need to do according to their orders.
This solution was made possible by Wizo, the Women's International Zionist Organization.
Wizo is a non-for-profit that was created before the creation of the State of Israel in order to help create the State of Israel. We're a Zionist movement of women from 40 different countries. We, during the history of the State of Israel, have been giving services according to the needs of the moment. If it's in emergency situations, if it's in war situation, if it was during the Aliyah.
By allowing health workers to leave their children in this nursery, Wizo is also helping, in its own way, in the fight against coronavirus.